Okay, now that me say Prime Minister he visit for Boya. He be been for tell the army then say you can shoot them as you want. Now we don't get your message. We get your message clear. That me say you can't Boya. Now for tell the military then say you can shoot them. You can shoot them if you want to shoot them. Kill them as you can kill them. Shoot them. Don't be afraid to kill. Don't be... I don't know what to say. So you visit Prime Minister. Because you never mix it with Prime Minister for that country. You cannot come Ambazonia. As you just come out go, there is shooting as small picking them. Okay, this picking now. This picking the case now. This picking the case where they just come for kill them. Okay, at least, this picking where they kill her now. That means say, how will we not see the army where he shoot the picking? Una believe say na military kill the picking now. Now una believe say na military kill that picking now. How una at least we don't see him. We don't see now the army where he kill the picking. For Kumba, how will not be get lucky for see people the way they go shoot picking for school? We will not be get the lucky for see them. They say they don't judge some 10 people there where they go shoot them for town. So we are on people, there are people that they get to kill them anyhow. No justice. No justice for them. Why una vex now this one? Why una vex this one? Why una catch the army man una kill them too? Now una return for that. Now una some point the channel say I be black leg. I be black leg. No, I be black leg. No, see what the boys they do. Why una vex this one? Why una vex this one? Why una vex? Una vex because they una see the person where you do the act. Now why una vex no? But some of una come out the accuse una own brother them. So now they go Kumba go keep picking them for inside school them. So we will keep our own picking them. How they don't take me and take and make it doing a comedy. All thing for them a comedy. So your visit in Kumba was to come and tell the military to kill our people. Mr. Prime Minister Dangote. You came to Boya to tell the military that you can kill them. You can shoot them if you want to shoot them. Shoot those people. You are doing comedy with your own population. You are doing comedy with your own people. You will pay the price. You will pay the price. Because nobody has the right to die. Nobody has the right to use his gun and be shooting. Amber boys and therefore they don't pass on now. Now small beginning and I go begin to shoot them because I want to revenge. Now film that they play. Now film will they play. Una go remain for CRTV. You open a big toilet mob them. Because they talk anyhow. Place where fight there and if you go fight. Una want a whole gun. If you go stop motor for road. Shoot picking there anyhow. Place where fight there and if you go fight. Place where they fight them there and if you go fight. Una the fear. Now if you can traumatize the local population, we're not gonna play for go. You can traumatize them because we want shoot. Because we want shoot. Because I want to show them, say no, una get right inside Southern Cameroon. But make I tell una from today, make una listen from today. What una can talk? Who's can lie una can lie the people of Southern Cameroon again? Who's can talk una can talk? Say no, it was a mistake. Whose mistake? Can people be doing mistake for about 5 years that are doing the same mistakes? Killing our own people and we cannot talk. Because if we talk, you don't come to Cameroon again. Fuck the Cameroon. And fuck the Cameroon. Okay, this one for Boya, they see the military, we can kill them. Celui-ci à Boya, on a vu. Mais quel est ce militaire qui passe le temps à tirer sur la population, mon frère? Quel est ce genre de militaire qui passe le temps à tirer sur la population? Mais c'est quel genre d'éducation ça, franchement? Et beaucoup d'entre vous allez vous mettre, where are the Paddy à Sangas? Where are the Paddy à Sangas? Who can only run their mouth and be speaking rubbish, tautology? Who can only open their smelly mouth and be speaking rubbish English? Where are you now to talk? Now Amber Boys, Amber Boys then go shoot Pekin. Now Amber Boys them, because they want made the international community can't talk about our crisis. Is it the Amber Boys who went to shoot that child? Now Amber Boys they go kill that Pekin? Because they want to say the international community can't talk for our behalf. How can you be so stupid? How can you be so stupid? How can you be so stupid in the point that you don't even care when they kill your own people? You can't even stand when your own boys are standing up to protest your rights, to reclaim your right, your dignity. You can't even stand up. Nobody can talk because Pobia has the right to kill Southern Cameroonian. Pobia has the right, the authority to send army to our place to come and massacre our children, to come and kill our own people. And nobody will stand to talk. They will come and make like if they want to arrange things, they want to make peace. Whose type of peace? My dear brothers and sisters, this is the time you have to know. You have to give your voice for the boys who are fighting for your freedom. You have to give your voice for those who are really fighting for your freedom. In French, they say trop c'est trop. In French, they say trop c'est trop. How long are they going to kill our people? Not even our people. Our children are dying, man. Our children are dying. Our children are dying every day. They kill little children. They went to Muyuka and did the same thing. When we stand up here and speak, people say no. Just because we are supporting Amber Boys, that is why we don't want to accuse the Amber Boys. We say yes, nobody was there. They went to Gabu and burned even those children who were sleeping inside the rooms, inside their houses. They burned them. They burned those children inside their houses. They burned those women who were pregnant in Gabu. When they were even trying to ask them, how many people do you kill? They say no. They kill about it's only about 3 or 5 people who died. People say no, you killed 25 people. 25. They say no, they did not kill nobody. They went to Kumba. Entered inside a school and massacred children and killed our children. We cannot talk. We can't say nothing because they have the right to kill us. We can't say nothing because if we speak, we can't go to Cameroon. If we speak, we won't go to that country. They kill our children. They went to Pingi. Invite boys and girls inside a room and massacre them. Children were even fighting to run on the ceiling. They went there and shoot them. Yes, yeah, they shoot them. They shoot our children. We can't talk. We can't talk because we are speechless. Nobody has the right to talk. No, because if you talk, they will say no. You don't want Cameroon to be one and indivisible. Indivisible, my foot. My foot. Vous restez ici. Quand je prends mon drapeau en basonnière, je le porte. Vous ouvrez vos larges gueules pour parler. Vous voyez ce qui se passe dans ma région? Vous voyez comment on tue les enfants innocents? Vos enfants sont allés à l'école aujourd'hui en paix. Ils n'ont même pas vu un pistolet. Nos enfants sont en permanence avec des reguinguins partout. Et même jusqu'à là, ils disent qu'ils viennent les protéger. Quel genre de protection ils donnent à ces enfants? Tuer des petits-enfants? Tuer des petits-enfants parce que tu veux 1000 francs, parce qu'on vous a envoyé à une zone de guerre et qu'il faut que vous traumatisez la population en leur demandant de l'argent, en tuant des gens innocents, n'importe comment, vous pouvez les tuer. Pobia vous donne l'ordre de nous abattre comme des chiens. Mais nous ne sommes pas des chiens. Nous ne sommes pas des chiens et nous ne resterons pas chiens. C'est pour cela que je vous dis, les gars en basonnière vont batailler. Ils vont bagarrer. Ils vont bagarrer jusqu'à the last man will fall on this battle. If you don't know, let me tell you, the last man will fall on this battle. The last man will fall on this battle. Yeah, sometimes, pour vous, c'est la blague. Mais quel est ce genre d'armée, quel est ce genre de pays qui ne font que massacrer des petits-enfants? Aujourd'hui, vous êtes témoin que c'est l'armée qui vient de tuer un enfant à Boya. Vous êtes témoin aujourd'hui que c'est l'armée qui vient de tuer un enfant à Boya. Mais quand on parlait que c'est l'armée qui est allée à Kumba massacrer nos enfants, vous avez dit non, c'est pas l'armée. L'armée ne peut pas tuer les enfants. L'armée est partie à Mouyouka tuer une petite fille qui dormait dans la chambre. Ils ont tiré sa tête. Vous avez dit non, c'est pas l'armée. Vous avez dit c'est pas l'armée. On est resté tranquille. Ils sont partis à Gabou. Vous avez dit non, c'est pas l'armée. Je laisse même le Nozo. Je m'en vais jusqu'au nord Cameroun. Quand Willy de Paris a fait des gestes en disant que la petite fille qui était sur le dos de sa maman était camerounaise, vous avez dit non, c'est pas les Camerounais. Vous avez dit non, c'est les Tchadiens. Parce que la police camerounaise a le droit de venir massacrer des Camerounais n'importe comment parce qu'il n'y a pas de justice. Tous nos enfants, our children, nos gars sont en Kondengui, innocemment pour rien. Pour rien, ils sont en Kondengui. Nos enfants, nos gars, nos frères, ils sont en Kondengui pour rien. Ils continuent à nous massacrer. Ils continuent à tuer nos enfants innocemment. Ils continuent à brûler nos maisons. Ils continuent à tuer la population du South du Cameroun. Vous ne voulez pas appeler ça ambazonien, alors aujourd'hui vous allez appeler ça ambazonien. Parce que nous, on ne se laissera pas faire. L'histoire ne se laissera pas faire. Si Pobia pense que parce qu'il a pris le pouvoir au Cameroun, il pense qu'il peut traumatiser tout le monde, il se trompe longtemps. Parce qu'il y a des gens qui ne se laisseront plus faire à partir de maintenant. Pobia m'a foutu. Pobia, ma faute. Pobia, ma faute. Un imbécile qui passe son temps à traumatiser sa population parce qu'il pense qu'être président, c'est un privilège. Tu te trompes longtemps. Mais tu peux tromper longtemps le peuple. Tu peux tromper le peuple pendant un certain temps. Mais n'oublie jamais qu'on ne trompe pas le peuple pendant tout le temps. Si les francophones ne veulent pas se lever pour te mettre hors d'état de nuit, alors sache que nous les anglophones, on ne te laisserait plus l'occasion de nous abattre comme des chiens. Tu n'auras plus cette chance de nous tuer comme des chiens, comme des poules mouillées, tuer nos enfants, brûler nos mamans enceintes. Tu tues nos propres familles. Tu brûles nos maisons et toi tu dors à étourdi, tu bois ton champagne à des milliards de francs CFA par le contribuable du peuple camerounais et tu n'arrives même pas à leur donner une protection. Combien de gens sont morts cette année à cause de la police, à cause de la gendarmerie, à cause de l'armée? Combien des innocents sont partis? Combien des innocents sont tombés? Alors aujourd'hui, vous allez dire oui, c'est l'armée qui a tué. Parce qu'on a vu l'armée. Parce qu'on a tué le militaire qui a tué l'enfant. Est-ce qu'à Kumba, vous avez dit ça? Est-ce qu'à Kumba, vous avez dit que c'est l'armée qui est partie massacrer des enfants à l'école à Kumba? Est-ce que vous avez dit ça? Est-ce que vous vous élevez? Est-ce que vous vous élevez parce qu'on tue les enfants des autres? Est-ce que vous vous élevez? Je vous demande, je vais poser la question, est-ce que vous vous élevez? C'est pas possible. C'est pas vrai cette histoire. C'est pas vrai cette histoire. Qui vous dit qu'il ne massacre? Qui vous dit qu'il ne tue pas des innocents chaque jour? Parce qu'on voit, parce que ce qu'on voit seulement. Qui vous dit que à la longueur de journée, ils ne tuent pas des enfants comme ça, ils jettent partout dans les forêts, ils enterrent comme ils veulent? Qui vous dit ça? Est-ce qu'un peuple a le droit de souffrir comme nous on souffre là? Même, vous connaissez là où il y a les gars qui veulent faire la guerre. Allez faire la guerre avec eux. Laissez la population innocente. Laissez les enfants innocents. Laissez ces enfants aller à l'école. Malgré qu'il y a beaucoup même qui ne vont pas à l'école, le peu qui vont à l'école, respectez quand même les dignités. Arrêtez de nous tuer comme si on était des cafards, mes amis. On n'est pas des cafards. Donc le premier ministre Dangote est venu à Boya pour dire à la police, à la gendarmerie, vous pouvez les tuer comme vous voulez. Mais même toi, le premier ministre, tu payeras. Tu payeras. Ne crois pas que tu vas t'en aller comme ça innocemment. Tu payeras. Qui tue pas le peuple, mais pas le peuple. Tu massacres ton propre peuple. Tu vas manger à la cuillère de ton front. Oui, tu massacres ton propre peuple. Toi-même, tu vas voir ce qui va t'arriver. Donc, on a plus pour d'indice. Donc, on a plus pour d'indice. That's small girl picking un baboy. La petite fille là, c'est un ambazonien. La petite fille qu'on a massacrée qu'on a tué dans la voiture. C'est un ambazonien. Elle a aussi l'âme. Elle porte aussi un porte d'âme. Donc tous les ambazoniens sont devenus les porteurs d'âme alors. Now which can life be this one? Who can life be this one? You work for money time. You know if you wipe you want to wash your face. You see now miracle. Who's are the people and the way they say no, they accuse their boys and say no, leave your guns. Come and let's sit and discuss. Discuss my foot. Discuss my foot. Discuss my foot. Mais vous pensez quoi? Vous pensez quoi? Et arrêtez un peu vos caca. Hein? Arrêtez vos caca, vos bêtises. Que vous pensez que moi, vous de Paris. Vous rêvez, non? Vous rêvez que moi, je tombe, non? Vous rêvez que non, oui, de Paris tombe. Vous m'aimez voir. On m'invite dans le spectacle, vous venez dans mes commentaires pour écrire, oui, de Paris joue là, on vend le tarot. Vous connaissez ce que veut dire tarot? Le tarot, c'est une neurotique qui doit être valorisée. Et moi, je valorise les neurotiques africaines. Parce que vous rêvez. Vous pensez que moi, je vais rester là, devenir mendiant, comme vous avez rendu tous vos artistes mendiants qui passent le temps à pleurer partout. Hein? Vous pensez que moi, je vais devenir comme ça? Personne. Moi, je suis un guerrier, man. Je suis un guerrier, vous ne connaissez pas? Je suis un guerrier du temps moderne. C'est pas moi. Il n'y a pas l'homme pour moi. Comme ce qu'il dit, il n'y a pas l'homme pour moi. C'est des stupid caricature them. Look at the stupid people caricature. Il n'y a pas l'homme pour moi. Sardine. Sardina. Tue nos enfants comme tu veux. Tue nos enfants comme tu veux. Parce que tu es président de la République. Président de la République, c'est pour venir tuer les enfants des gens. Être président de la République, c'est pour venir tuer les enfants des gens. Parce que toi, tu as eu le pouvoir. See what you come and that is what you come and that is the order you come to give to Boya. That is to kill our children, Mr. Dangote. Mais vous allez comprendre les choses. Vous allez comprendre les choses. Hein. Je vous dis ça. Vous allez comprendre les choses. Vous allez comprendre les choses. C'est où on arrange tout, où on gâte tout. Et ne pensez pas que vous me faites peur quand vous me dites que j'ai porté le drapeau ambazonien. Je porterai le drapeau ambazonien chaque jour que je suis né. Je porterai ce drapeau parce que ma dignité, je le porterai. Je ne suis pas peureux comme vous. Hein. Je ne suis pas peureux comme vous. Ok? J'ai donné un défi à l'ambassade. Le jour qu'il vient faire mon passeport, qu'il refait mon passeport, je brûle l'ambassade. Je mets feu à cette ambassade. We are picking them for prison. We are picking them for prison for nothing because they were just walking. People, they don't go burn sous-préfet house for Yaoundé last side. They don't catch them. They don't catch no one. They burn sous-préfet house. They don't catch no one. We are boys and they for prison. They rotting for prison. They rotting for prison. We need to stand and talk for them because they know we can't talk. Can't talk with you. They talk with some dictator. Can you talk with Pobia? Who's human being not talk with Pobia? Who's human being not talk with Pobia? Mbombo dia around there. Pobia go for beria. Mbombo dia there. Pobia go for beria. No go for beria. You no go for beria. Who be una? Saudi Cameroun. Pobia cantana. Who be una? Un pays peureux. Un pays qui n'a que des peureux, des gens qui ont peur. Qui ont peur. On va venir même voler le Cameroun un jour, on va rester comme ça pour regarder parce qu'on a peur. Parce qu'on a peur. L'esclavage est fini jusqu'au jour où on continue à avoir peur. C'est quoi cette histoire-là? C'est quoi cette idiotie? C'est quoi cette ambition? C'est quoi cette ambition? Aujourd'hui, vous donnez raison aux ambazoniens. Parce que vous venez de voir comment un policier vient de tirer sur un enfant. On le tue aussi. Heureusement qu'on le tue. Ask that people for say, why on a kill him? Some of you are returning for the talk say, no, Amba boys do not get right. We want to live our life. Why? Which life can you live? Which life can you live? Which life can you live? Which life can you live with all those people trying to traumatize your daily life? Which life can you live? You can't live no life. You have the right to support your boys. Now today we're going to know so that boys that they fight na Fosekawi. Now today we're going to know for our conscience so that boys that they battle na Fosekawi. That boys that they give their life na Fosekawi because tomorrow there will be a better day. Tomorrow the sun will finally rise as the new song where they go at the say sun will shine. Tomorrow the sun will shine not only for me, the sun will shine for everybody. The sun will shine for everybody. So that we can wake up and see our children go to school and laugh. No, that we keep on crying every day. People are just coming to our cities and be killing our children like if they were dogs. They are not dogs, our children. Our children are not dogs. They are not dogs. They are not fowls. That people will just enter in our cities and be killing our children. We will just be there looking them doing. Shooting our children, bury this. They went to Bamenda and killed some of them when they were smoking their cigarette. They just shoot them and kill them. Okay, then we say nothing. Okay, they have the right to kill. They went to Muyuka, enter inside a room and shoot a little daughter. They said no, it was Amber Boys who did it. Because the guy was an old Amber Boy. That's what Atanga did with the big eyes. That's what Atanga say. Say no, the guy was an old Amber, so they came there and killed his child because they want to make him, they want to frighten him. Okay, there we say no problem again. They went to Kumba and massacred our children inside classes. We say no, they were arming men. No, they say our Amber Boys are wearing into arming clothes. They say okay, today in Kumba, in Boya. What can you say today in Boya? Let me just put my phone so that at least 2 or 3 people can call and give. You can give your own opinion, okay? Let me just put my phone. 3339 35 39 35 10 86 57 47. If you call for here, give your own opinion, okay? If you call, give your own opinion. You give your own opinion. Voila. Give your own opinion because I don't tire. I don't tire. They just say the future can fool you anyhow. No, I can't more peace, more peace. Let's talk about peace. Let's forget about the war because Jogo was here TV. No, things are coming back to normal. The people are going back to their villages. You see how they can't fool we. More could believe say no, that they be God. We are picking them at this, na Satan. So they when I no one show play, na picking the height. Maybe I go show play. Maybe go show play. I picking the height. Maybe they got key. I picking. So they can give you chop. Maybe chop any day. Chris people them. Just say we are picking them and dog them. Now they enter. How many soldiers pap pour 1000 francs, pour 500 francs pour bien détruire le Cameroun. Mes petits frères, je vous dis une chose. Si vous restez tranquille, il y a des dollars, regardez seulement, vous allez tous mourir comme des cafards pour bien détruire le Cameroun. Pour 500 francs, un militaire est capable de tuer des gens. Pour 500 francs, un militaire n'a plus le regard, l'amour des enfants. Pour 500 francs. Et puis quand on va parler, vous allez dire que non, c'est parce que, oui, tu parles mal de la mère camerounaise. Quelle armée? Armée qui tue mes gens? Armée qui tue mes propres gens? Vous parlez que quel amour je dois avoir pour eux? Quel sentiment je dois avoir pour ceux qui tuent mes propres enfants? Vous bavardez même quoi? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? I cannot read your message. If you want to call and participate and give your own opinion about what is happening. Give your own opinion, talk. Où est mon nom même? Il n'y a pas mon nom là-bas. Give your own opinion, talk. Don't be afraid to call. Call and talk. What is all this? Rubbish. Rubbish. It's really rubbish. I call it rubbish again. I call it rubbish again. This is the time we have to know that we have to fight. We have to fight for our dignity. We have to fight. Et ne vous trompez jamais que vous allez venir me faire peur parce que moi je porterai mon drapeau ambazonien bel et bien clair. D'abord le drapeau camerounais, j'ai dit je ne porte plus le drapeau. Si ce pays n'a pas 2 têtes de se mettre bien, moi je ne porterai plus. Je ne porterai plus. Pourquoi je dois porter? C'est obligé que je porte. Je suis libre de faire ce que je dois faire. Vous venez dans ma page et vous écrivez vos caca. Ça c'est vos caca. Et ne vous trompez pas. Je suis le meilleur artiste de la diaspora. Ne vous trompez même pas 2 secondes. On ne m'invite pas parce qu'on a pitié de moi. On m'invite parce que je connais ce que je vaux. Et il faut jamais prendre... Vous allez comparer les artistes de l'Europe et les artistes du Cameroun. Hein. Vous comprenez ce que je dis? Oui, un artiste ici, là, même s'il joue dans une chambre, l'argent qu'on le paye, c'est comme un artiste qui joue au stade Omnisport. Tu comprends ce que je te dis? Alors fermez vos bouches quand vous venez sur mes pages, vous faites des mauvais commentaires là. Tu pas votre égal. Ok? Je suis pas votre égal. Qu'est-ce que peut bien faire l'artiste camerounais? Pour bien faire quoi l'artiste camerounais? Pour bien faire quoi des artistes camerounais? Dites-moi un peu ce qu'il a fait l'artiste camerounais. Hein? Vous parlez même de quoi? Tous ceux qui ont supporté le LDP sont où aujourd'hui? Tous ceux qui ont donné les voix pour le LDP sont où aujourd'hui? Qui ont cru qu'ils étaient en train de supporter quelque chose de bien sont où aujourd'hui? Sont où aujourd'hui? Mais regardez, regardez ce qui se passe. La meilleure voix du Cameroun, qu'est-ce qu'elle fait? Elle fait sa bonne cuisine là-bas, elle a laissé la musique, elle est dans son coin maintenant, elle fait sa bonne cuisine. La meilleure voix du Cameroun fait la bonne cuisine. C'est ce que vous voulez. Vous voulez rendre tous les artistes mendiants pour que vous restez que la musique c'est quoi? La musique c'est quoi? Moi je ne suis pas dedans. Je suis artiste, tu n'es artiste. Je meurs étant artiste. Mais parle aux gens d'artistes là. Vous comprenez? Vous allez parler, beau parler, tout ce que vous allez dire. J'étais l'invité de Vaxoro au Zénith de Paris. J'ai fait le Zénith de Paris. Allez raconter ça à ma mère. J'ai fait le Zénith de Paris. Allez dire ça à ma mère. Ok? J'ai fait le Zénith de Paris. Bande de poux mouillés. Allô?
Hey, brother, good morning. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, papa.
Okay. As for this to happen for Boyaso, you did live, no?
You did like they listen you, my brother. Talk what you want to talk. Trump.
Yes. Yes. This one for make me the whole one no say true. Amazonia get right for secret.
Voilà.
Yes. Because when you look the way Anglophone man they make for Anglophone, I just be like say Anglophone no get used for life.
Voilà.
I say, oh man, I don't tire for this country.
Voilà.
The key Anglophone I see, they no say, they see they don't get life even. They think Anglophone, man, up to now, they travel arrange problem. They say me arrange problem. They arrange problem here now.
Voilà.
They say me they arrange problem. Why were the key? Where the key from the go, they say me arrange problem. Some say Anglophone man a fool, no?
Benafou, non? Des douanes, des faits doivent Bamenda. Des faits doivent Bamenda, non? Des sous son boy sa moto, non? They say no, the boy, they will give you a second for back. Okay, they picking me get gone.
Yeah, no. Well, but now go to review their license. So.
Voilà. Thank you,
God,
Papa.
the whole way they see, the whole way they see walk up.
Thank you, Papa. Thank you.
One day, go to see you too as you be singer.
Go hear our prayer, Papa. Go hear our prayer.
Go hear our prayer to see. Okay, we're together.
We're together, Papa. Thank you. Ben not true. C'est devenu clair. L'homme francophone prend l'homme anglophone comme un objet et ça ne peut pas durer. Mes frères francophones, vous mes amis, c'est pas à vous que je m'adresse. Je m'adresse à ceux qui ont le pouvoir, ceux qui gèrent le patrimoine, ceux qui gèrent la nation. Il y a un journaliste camerounais qui avait dit il faut qu'on les massacre tous. Obama avait dit il faut qu'on tue tous mes gens. Mais pour toi, j'étais encore dans ma poche. Je vais t'utiliser comme du papier hygiénique. Michelle Obama. Toi, tu es mon ami. Mais le jour où on va se voir, tu vas répéter le mot là devant moi. Petit pou. Tu vas comprendre que torchon n'est pas chiffon. Torchon n'est pas chiffon. Tu es resté à Vision 4, une télévision de poisseux. Celui qui suit Vision 4 est d'abord, c'est un monsieur qui a un retard mental. Tu suis Vision 4. Regarde d'abord le genre de journal qu'ils font, Vision 4. Ils font que des journaux comme des gars qui ont grandi dans le sous-quartier. D'abord même, les PDG, c'est un gars du sous-quartier. D'abord, il s'habille mal, il est d'abord mal laid. Sardine. I don't tell you, I say, una call, give una own opinion. These people, them, what una tell me now, who keep picking them for Kumba? Who keep picking them inside classroom for Kumba? I want to know who keep picking them inside classroom for Kumba.
Hello?
Yeah, hello. Slow your volume for that side, they're listening you.
Good morning.
Morning, Papa. Talk, shout more.
Good morning.
They're listening you. Yeah, they're listing you.
For Boya today, very pathetic situation. This kind of thing that happens, so we ask ourselves questions. Where are we heading to? What is happening in our country? Our country, this way, when I want to stay together in it. And every day you kill our children. You kill our children every day on the street. Because 500 francs. You
Wow.
kill a child, a 3-year-old child, because of 500 francs. It is not heard of anywhere in the world. When you travel abroad, you see how white man value life. You see how people they value life for other society. But when you come back home to our country, our
Oh boy, I bet. Bring your voice more.
we are like
Bring your voice, then listen
that's why
you.
every blessed day. This will happen to Boya today, so my brother. You don't make them believe. How can this happen? How? Nobody is saying anything about it. Nobody is talking about it. You just hear today, so they will wish you will share to that to go. Just that everything is going to normal. Children are going back to school. People are going back. Which really this? They go back. Which really this, my brother? When roads are blocked everywhere, you.
That means now the message that way Prime Minister can't talk. Now the message that Prime Minister can't talk for Boyano. Can't give order for me to say shoot them if you want to shoot them. Shoot them, kill them. Kill them. You are getting me?
I'm getting you.
Okay, my brother, your volume is low. I will take another person because your volume is too low. Your volume, you talk small. One people to talk, we talk. Hello.
Ashaba.
Asia.
Asha. Thank you for your good work,
Thank you, my brother.
Thank you. Now I don't know where you want to one children together like God. I talk the one day only every day. I purpose wait to the one that I will do right. Wait to the one that I will do all day. Bad news every day. Wait to happen. You know they even read it again. When I wait.
No, this time around,
Yeah.
they don't say maybe na Amber Boys they don't kill. Because I wait for Kumba, they be see no man. They can't also say no. They want they can make their, they want they can turn their cocoa soup day.
Anyhow, the only do this time around, God must intervene in that time because no we all win a family, all win a brother. We need to talk together, arranging them small make pass.
She
All the
don't.
brutality no go every way.
She don't with you.
All the brutality no go every way because they make all we go. They lost na long way no fight.
Because she don't with you. Uni she don't not body again. Not body. Uni she don't not body again. Better make the key on my one time. Now one spirit. I will take this man.
I want some that they don't understand why they want to do and so. We know where they you know be about in the Oma the family them didn't see. We know correct.
Yeah.
Any time to go God go every way. Thank you.
Thank you. God don't tire, my brother. You therefore to say God go help. God don't tire. If you not help you, I say how many God go do help you. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, I dey get you. They listen you talk.
Yeah, God will a place there. I salute.
Salute Pericana, how for you?
No, let's strong.
Okay,
Yeah,
Papa.
yeah. Only the hour up boy today. You don't make me on a yeah. Yeah, just already up boy today. It make me understand some get no to do that over there. It is already act. You don't make me understand some. So we need to draft the game more and more for arm our boy to the last man. Because it shows even after 100 years, no people there. Yes. So
Thank you.
Contribution that get.
Thank you very much. No, the different man. Hello. You want a ground zero that they call so?
Yeah, good morning, good day, Grand Willie.
Good day, Papa. How for you?
No, Master, not the worker. Picking them there for bush,
Picking them there for bush, oh.
Mama.
Oh, like.
Well, God will hear our prayer. One day, oh, God will hear our prayer, Papa. One day, oh,
Wow.
God will hear our prayer. Grandfather, I want to thank you so much. I want to thank you so much for everything we put in for CC. you bring out the truth and make people see the light. We know now people feel understand the level of evil, the level of witchcraft, the level of how demonic this beer you cocoons them, this beer you monsters them, they feel be. And God know the way it ever put things in for. They don't kill the one for Gabu. They go kill the one for Buya. Kill for Kumba. They license now Amber fighters. How, as we ever talk, how person who they we fit take gun for their own community. We know say the picking at this might begin we come over this place. Should they begin? Enough it ever happen.
Master.
And why that way you see these things, this kind of situation, and nothing ever happened for inside the Republic, even when they strike. You know why? Because they know each and every other individual for their within their community.
Not true.
Now why that way nothing ever happened? But since they regard me like no people, now why that way the fish shoot at random, they don't care what and who.
They just shoot
These
anyhow.
People, they know. Anyhow, they keep them matter. They keep them born money happy for us.
No.
These people are
No, because okay, the one now they agree. Because they don't kill the army. They agree fast no, say no, the one because they don't kill him, because we don't see as he kill him. We don't tell where they kill him. The one for Kumba, we need be.
Yes.
We need be the one for Kumba. So we no be see him. We no be see him. Ma take different ma papa.
Okay.
Hello?
Yeah, hello, Willie. Good morning.
Good morning, my brother.
Yeah. First thing I would like to appreciate you as I don't watch your first video. As it just happened, you come online. I want really give you a big thank you for the fight where you fight. Then I'll contribute and say, it not been a new thing. This one will happen. So as you rightly talk about, say now because you don't see them, they go great.
Now because don't see him, my brother. Now because don't see him.
The one day they bury him, we know they see him, but they only go meet on a mass graves. That one, nobody know they give accountability. That one, they no go ever agree. But thing they forget for this war on 70. This war, they fight them now in the open. So me they not feel say when they won't go get that a big code them, they can't shit down, say they get doctorate degree, PhD them. They analyze. You know they analyze truth. When truth come out, it touch you right for inside your heart.
Voilà.
When truth come out, it touch you right for inside your heart. Politics not there for do war of independence. No, not politics, not reality. So when you kill the hardest thing for this ground where you don't ever do an assault, not kill someone in power that power get picking. Because when that picking big, it could come after you. That time when your own bone they don't weak. So this generation, now never again generation. That one a message for them. Me they turn the politics anyhow. But the last day they will agree. They will agree much. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Papa. Thank you very much for your contribution. Thank you very much for your contribution. Una defa boya, una wango schoolo, badio, daddy shuto, God go hear what prayer. Hey, pikin the nedi go school, dede isa busho, no, me kuchozi pray, oh. God go hear what prayer. Oh, life. You call when some man not finish for call, but when you call, plenty call the jam. Anyhow it day, me I don't talk my own belly. I don't talk my own belly. So some of you now I get the heart say no, master I could try arrange. Who kind of arrangement go be? People that can't kill your picking. You want arrange with it. Okay, you want back or you want arrange? Because there is back and arrange. If man want arrange something, man will don't do you bad. Want arrange something with you, must call you for table. She don't say, okay, my papa, me I don't do this. I don't do this. Moku come back for this one. Moku do this. My brother, now what kind of life be this? We'll continue to beg people the way they kill our picking. Fuck the world. Hello. Yes, hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes. Good afternoon. Good evening. Or
Good afternoon. They listen to you, my brother, talk.
Okay.
Okay, Willie, concerning what will happen to Boya,
Yes.
I believe say Ambazonians or Southern Cameroonians, they want the way they be talk say Cameroon now one and indivisible. I think it's a high time for them to reverse which way they talk say Cameroon now one and indivisible. Because if Cameroon not divide tomorrow, after tomorrow, in some time to come, Cameroon must divide, we must separate from them. Because I not imagine say if you carry your daughter to go school, a military person take your daughter alive because of 500 francs. It really be uncalled for. And I want to make all the Anglophones make them know say that place not there for that so-called La République. The better they realize themselves, the better for them. Because I don't stay for Douala with those Francophones. They always refer to us as les Anglophones, les Bamenda, les Biafra. Since à l'époque when they start make this reference. So I believe say if any man be rational and don't discriminate when it happen, may everybody just start taking a stand. And I want to advise those Francophones and way then they for Southern Cameroon or Anglophone regions to go school for day. So make them be very careful because when Gary don't high pass water, you will need to make the add water for that Gary. But if the content for that Gary don't already flop, you must pay for down. So as them day for Anglophone region or for Southern Cameroon, they live freely for they flex and they do that thing. But they make them know, say one day, the people then they know will only rise as they don't really rise against La Republic government. The people then they stand a higher chance for rise against them. So may they be very careful because we know will stay to watch our population be consumed by the firearms of La Republic, whereas them their own population increase rather. So may them be very careful.
Thank you, my brother. I'm not a different man.
Send this message for our brother.
Yeah, go on.
Yes. I want to talk for all the forces where they for down. Make them cooperate, make them put their heads together. Forget about whatsoever thing which group or which leader of diaspora at the top or which leader at the top. Make them cooperate because at the end of the day, the leader for Southern Cameroon will come on up at ground zero, not before that people the way they do for diaspora. So when they cooperate among themselves, but take out La Republic as soon as possible to reduce this number of deaths. Thank you for this opportunity.
Thank you.
Out my mind. Yeah,
thank you, my brother. Take care. Hello.
Hello, Grand Willie.
Yeah.
Morning.
Morning, Papa. How for you?
Yeah, are they online?
Yeah, they're online. Go, they listen you.
Okay, at the corner from Gabon.
I see a number. Go on.
Okay, what will happen today? So even we say we need to support that kind, we already say that people they want kill we all. So na time last me we all would put her now for finish up with them because it's over. How to talk to me, so I'll go back some more time. Because they don't show we say we not ever did together. Now all that we want to talk. Thank you very much for all what we do.
Thank you very much. Bébé.
Okay.
S'il te plaît, c'est mon tu là, je t'en prie. Mets-moi juste un peu. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. We'll take the last caller. You don't call plenty. You don't call plenty. And I never take a call. I try call you back whether I go take a call. I try call you back because you don't overcall. You don't overcall. You don't overcall. You don't overcall plenty. So make a take it go be the last caller of the day. I take it go be the last caller of the day. Mais pas beaucoup, mais juste un peu parce que je suis déjà parti. Are you calling? No one take a call. Okay, let me say we'll leave the firm man call now. I won't call in, no one take a call. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yes, hello.
Papa Willie 21 gun salute.
Thank you, my brother.
So, which way happen for Goya today? It is show all we say all man supposed to hold gun. Yes. So
They be key person for Bamenda. Talk say, they carry gun for his moto. These people they kill them for Boya today. They carry gun.
They carry AK. They pick me carry AK.
They carry AK.
They carry AK. Carry and go school.
Good. So, the way that Padi Asanga them, Agbobala them, that federalism, may they come now, may they can tell we, wait till they happen now, would wait them.
After
People
we,
for one Cameroon would wait them.
after we Prime Minister just come out for go. They just come out the Susu picking them.
If I tell them, say, may they continue for the kid, picking them, no?
Yeah. Can't give the order, make the key.
Yes. They don't give the order.
My brother,
Make the key.
I didn't say contract and rice.
Appetit.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you. Something don't do me. Even chop
So-
check, I don't forget for chop.
We need thanks for your courage, Papa. Thanks very much for your courage.
Thank you very much.
So, any man wey dey support this struggle, may know say tomorrow it will be 9 on 10. May any man support for your own way to support. We get enough fighters now with the guns them. Enough fighters a day now. As the kid became they know say another 25 people go join, 100 people go join. Only for the one picking me back.
They're not true.
Yes. So, goodbye.
Okay, thank you, my brother. Thank you. Then it's shame. Mais même si les gens ne vont pas s'énerver, mon frère, c'est normal qu'on tue des gens comme ça. On vient ici, là, je porte mon drapeau, les gens sont fâchés, ils ont envoyé des parades pour ton drapeau. Je porte le drapeau ambazonien, mon frère. Vous rêvez? Vous pensez que je porte en cachette? Jusqu'à quand je porte, il vient mettre, vous venez publier ça encore sur mes photos, sur mes photos de mes affiches de spectacle. Je suis né artiste. Et c'est pas moi qui ai gâté le Cameroun. C'est Pobia. C'est lui que vous devez arrêter, pas moi, pas oublier de Paris. Petit pou. We will take in 2 calls. And they will stop them. We will take 2 calls. Some man don't call from Belgium. Let's see whether I can call him. May give your opinion. Hello.
Yeah, Grand Willie. Willie, bon appétit, Grand.
Thank you, my brother. I will go school.
I didn't vex me, so I don't comment, say me, them just put some even that NS station for police for down. Now, Facebook, don't block me. I say, better I just call the at least move the stress with me. I tell you, so my brother, the thing where you don't see, I'm saying, you know, say there's whole since morning time, this ballot. Some of these francophone, I like the job they did one. Some of these francophone, they don't understand this thing, and they try for the cameras or one they do online. They talk say, they instead add fire now, add for heart. They know they put fire for which way it don't be. So when the day they talk, they get brought away, they get for Cambe, they get brought away for Bui, they go kill Amazonia, they go kill. Now so why they talk no, you don't fight. Okay, now they do that thing so they put image them for people where maybe 2 boys where they kill them yesterday. Now they put them now so they don't kill the picking. I will see whether they will see they post that thing. Because what did the picking on do?
Voilà.
If you don't shoot them so now I'm picking.
Voilà.
Now they shoot them so now I'm
If they get gone, if they get gone, they became they get gone.
If they get gone, then some foolish people in there online, they post that picture and they glad. Now so me and post you will tell no one of them will post this in Jackass. You see the way they move that Jaga he bring. Just the way happen for Boya, now so for Kumba, now the same thing, now the same people, now they do that thing for Kumba.
Not them. Oh.
See the way they shoot, you shoot that, you know, you don't see that woman where they say the woman they don't ask you 500, they want for that woman no one thing, you know, get no money to give them, you go.
You did see
now
who?
They don't shoot that back.
You did see who man for
They
inside
don't shoot
motor?
that back.
Who man dem motor picking inside motor?
You shoot.
You shoot waiting. You did for war.
No. Now whether way Siam, you see I'm say some I don't know some person they don't come there for some state TV station. If they talk say If I say me they do this like for federation, me I not them for federation. I don't talk now which way so man talk. Say this so me they take people for southwest, me they find other police when they get for southwest, me they share their area. Police people when they never for Norway, me they share their area. But what you mean I say when the man talk it makes sense. If you for being a southern Cameroon, you for being a Mazonia man, you know for just shoot that you know for shoot that.
You know for shoot. No, you know for shoot, never shoot. That one not true.
You know for shoot, you get conscience. You want to look at a bull that don't make that thing so. You want to look at a bull that as they ugly the waiting. And so black ugly people, you go look at so. Now bull man don't do that thing so.
Wow.
No, you don't too much. The thing where they not say now so people they go understand say this so. They get right for any man get right for rights. He protect himself. But okay, them say me picking they not go school. They don't say me picking them go school. They say okay, well, any man want say they picking go school. Me be sure say the area be secure. Okay, all man they see what they happen now. No, you see I say even inside Boya town, say boy they say all things they know man Boya they find people they enjoy Limbe they find people they enjoy. See what they happen.
If it's a young boy. We get 20 years or 18 years of being inside that motor. That policeman for kill the boy for tossing that on amber.
If I told now so that man for communicate, move where that ballot man, that spokesman where he said being a communicate for military. Now so we move where the able to carry them. You will see him. He go if it no go get like he go form something. He go say maybe that woman na amber boy girlfriend. Please.
No, you go say na not pretty girlfriend.
Oh God. Munja, they call us Munja. Where he said, Boya na in town, na even wait till they happen. I think I complete that. Don't do that act. Munja, man.
The most dirtiest English, the most dirtiest Southern Cameroonian.
I tell you, that one they swear, that one I don't know what I get brain inside. Wait, military can finish. We go move it so we go dry it so that me we show and start saying I enabler in that we go dry it so we dry for current put that for inside museum.
It did me with you. It did me with you.
No, Papa, I just say thank you. I don't see I say even me move for in the online they show it live. You come on live. I don't say I had the bond. Now good way they do am so. And see time when you they go a call, Jacka they go a call. You there call you want to see them they don't keep begin for a call. I wait for being your own Jacka to wait them they go down. When they call,
they my brother. Manfish don't so they call Lucy and Jacka on there. What you do? You do it because
I tell you. No all my way there for grande, like go there for rich. Any man way there for that for inside where they call an nozo or South come. All man do they rich anytime. Any man.
But yes.
Anytime God will just pick you.
My brother.
So all we must think anything in the touch all man. Me some people don't dare neglect that say no now nothing. This thing that we concern all man. See that Jackass. That this war way every day that thing.
They go for Muyuka. Keep begin for them. They say no. The man will get a begin in a ex-amber before they can give begin. We don't see them. They go for Kumba.
Yeah.
To them. Okay, do one now. When no man begin no them now who man carry begin go to school. They shoot them. Okay, how will they see the one?
I tell you, my brother.
What did they go talk?
I tell you, my brother. I say, move don't wait see where to out there spokesman wait he will can report them. If he go can lie, he will can write, you go lie, but that one master for lie. Prime Minister, where you just come out for Babeda, he say, no, they talk with Shati with peace already, they be in normal, peace on the camp, and the other man, the commercial, they burn, they put fire for that side of Bui, they put fire. Now, even gone, they shoot randomly, even till now, for people they go school. Wait till people they go do, no, wait till man they do.
My brother.
No.
They make comedy. They make comedy, but not even comedian.
No, me they make up so, me the past time, they make the one time they pass. They will get all thing. We will just secure our border. They will get all thing. We will go down our border. See, no man will back that time. No legal.
Now let's go, my brother. Take care.
Yeah, take care, bro. I just say, thank you for your work.
Thank you to plenty. The last caller, the commissioner, they go school back.
Okay. That will not spoil a day. They don't spoil a day for a call.
They don't spoil, my brother. They don't spoil.
I tell you.
I get my auntie them, my cousin, they are picking and they boy. If you been a one of them, what have to do for you?
I know that's true. That's true. If it happen for any man, if it happen for any man.
So I should not say yes, I respect president. Probably I'm a foot.
That people they can't impose that money for down there. I don't know. Some people them there, they just some that side deny them. I don't know. If I will blow their head them. Now one day that police them some that jam they will blow their head. If they don't say they don't. I don't see the other day they say some civil war will come for them. How many wait? They make that other people they ride that thing so that gun will turn touch na them. Nonsense people.
Take care, my brother. One spirit.
Yeah.
One spirit and I take care. Anyhow we dey. I don't talk my own. My way hotty. May go fry a blockade with the granite. Now pay the bill.